Part 1. How to uninstall Facebook on Android through device's settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Navigate to Apps or Application Manager, depending on your phone model. Step 3. Locate and select Facebook from the list of installed apps. Step 4. Tap Uninstall and confirm the action when prompted. Part 2. How to remove Facebook from Android using the app drawer. Step 1. Go to your Android device's home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Locate the Facebook icon. Step 3. Long press the icon until a menu appears. Step 4. Tap Uninstall or drag the icon to the Uninstall option at the top of the screen. Step 5. Confirm the action to remove Facebook. Part 3. How to uninstall Facebook on Android from the Google Play Store. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Step 2. Search for Facebook in the search bar. Step 3. Tap on the Facebook app from the results. Step 4. Click the Uninstall button and confirm the action. The app will be removed from your device. Part 4. How to remove Facebook from Android by Coolmuster Android Assistant. Coolmuster Android Assistant is designed to manage your Android device data, including uninstalling apps from your computer, such as Facebook. Step 1. Download and install the software onto your computer, then start it and connect your Android phone to the computer via USB. Step 2. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow the program to recognize your Android phone. Once done, you will see the main interface as shown below. Step 3. Click on Apps User Apps in the left sidebar, and you will see the installed applications on your Android phone displayed on the screen. Select the desired one, Facebook, and then click the Uninstall button to remove it from your Android phone.